Hello everyone, we are Group 22 and today we will be covering the topic on demand forecasting. Demand forecasting is one of Amazon's most valuable assets. It is essential in the planning of logistics. An accurate demand forecast will help facilitate product flow and minimize errors such as the bullwhip effect. This will result in a reduced total cost, enabling the company to maximize its profits. There are two types of demand forecasting methods. These are qualitative and quantitative methods. Qualitative methods rely solely on human judgment, such as an expert's opinion and individuals' past experiences. This method is usually used when there is little or no historical data available for forecasting. Quantitative forecasting methods branches into time series forecasting methods and associative models. Time series forecasting methods will be able to provide information visually for markets with unpredictable nature because it analyzes demand data in order to identify temporal patterns.
Amazon will be used as our real-world example. There are three significant points taken away from research on demand forecasting. Firstly, effective forecasting saves expenses and generates added income for the company. Secondly, knowledge sharing through data information exchange plays a vital role in supply management. Lastly, initial decisions after forecasting are important as they can be very expensive to alter in a short notice. In Amazon, voluminous historical data such as past sales and inventories are used to generate the forecast. Forecast assumptions made by Amazon will identify key attributes before the appropriate algorithms can be used are applied. At the same time, a forecasting model will be generated based on the customization of the forecast. An example, SOX demand forecasts are based on time boundaries which are easily accessible by all the outlets and warehouses using their online application.
Moving on to issues, information regarding the difficulties Amazon faced during the implementation of demand forecasting is unavailable as it uses the artificial neural network for most of the company's procedures. Amazon faces issues related to harsh working environments in both its transportation and warehousing sectors. For example, subcontracted delivery drivers report injustices in terms of receiving inaccurate and unfair wages, unpaid overtime, and unfulfilled fringe benefits. Other remunerations directed and mandated by the government were also denied to them by the courier company. In its warehousing sectors, workers have to commit to long working hours while receiving minimum wage. At the same time, working environments within a warehouse is unsafe due to faulty sprinklers and smoke detectors. The accumulation of unaddressed issues led to frequent strikes from worker unions, which diminishes the effect of Amazon's demand forecasting as they would lack the required manpower to conduct its operations.